Alright, here we go. Oh, this one was okay. I know in like Scream or whatever, like, "Rah!" It's so weird. Like I don't know. I just it's really weird.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. Like you know, like the Scream song is like, "Rah!" And it's like you understand, but you don't at the same time.
I know what you're talking about.
Obviously.
Just got back to the crack house.
It's a halfway house.
Black dress with the tights underneath. I got the breath of a last cigarette on my teeth. And she's an actress, but she ain't got no need. She's got money from her parents in a trust fund back east. Tongues always pressed to your cheeks, while my tongue is on the inside of some other girl's teeth. You tell your boyfriend, if he says he's got beef, that I'm a vegetarian and I ain't fucking scared of him.
What did I do? What did I do?
X's on the back of your hands. Watch them in the bathroom to drink like the band. And the set list you stole off the stage had red and purple lipstick all over the page. Bruises cover your arms, shaking in the fingers with a bottle in your palm. And the best is, no one knows who you are, just another girl alone at the bar. Shush, girl. Shut your lips. Do the Helen Keller and talk with your hips. I said, shush, girl. Shut your lips. Do the Helen Keller and talk with your hips. I said, shush, girl. Shut your lips. Do the Helen Keller and talk with your hips. Trust me. Black dress with the tights underneath. I got the breath of a last cigarette on my teeth. And she's an actress, but she ain't got no need.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty interesting, huh?
I think that crack.
Don't think so. You just turned everybody off. Totally. It's totally. My daughter.
Why do you have babies?
Because gravity takes over.
I love milk.
What do you do? You want some milk? You want some milk?
No, no.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Now watch. Brian's gonna watch this and he's like, I'm gonna go back to Georgia. have my baby. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That's a joke. That's a joke.
Okay. William's gonna have Ashley's baby.
Little orange face.
Oh no!
Wait, I hate this. Imagine you're on a cloud with squirrels. Let Jimmy ease up with this. Damn, we're hot. It was like relaxing. Like everything at once was just taken off. Like my clothes. It's the sneeze face. The Crawford. Can you see the symbols?